Percy, look behind you. Your load came undone, Thomas said frantically. This has been happening all day, said Percy. The pumpkins that Topham Hatt has me carrying are just too darn big. Thomas said. I have an idea. What if we double head and both of us use our power and braking to carry these heavy pumpkins? I don't know, said Percy. Look at this one Sir Topham Hatt ordered me to deliver. It's huge. Never mind him quite yet, said Thomas. You'll get him in a bit. Now let's hook up and try this load over here. The two hooked up and began their journey north to deliver the pumpkins. The two headed back to the pumpkin patch where they both stared in amazement at what seemed to be the biggest pumpkin in the world. Sir Topham Hatt won this at the pumpkin show, said Percy. He wins every year, said Thomas. Well, how on blood earth are we going to move this behemoth, said Percy. I got it, said Thomas. Big live steam, Thomas. The two looked in amazement as Big Thomas carried the huge pumpkin with ease. Thanks for helping us deliver Sir Topham Hatt's prize pumpkin, said Percy. You're a real useful engine indeed. Any time, said Thomas. You do know Sir Topham Hatt won the big pumpkin show this year, right? Said Percy. He wins every year, said Big Thomas.